Hi everybody, for my project I chose Blaise Pascal. Pascal was born at Clermont-Ferrand on June 19, 1623 and died on August 19, 1662. Pascal was a French mathematician. He was the son of Etienne Pascal. Pascal's mother died in 1626 and left him with his two younger sisters. When Pascal was 12, he attended meetings of a mathematical academy. From there, his interest about math grew and grew more. He wanted to learn more and more about math. In 1640, Pascal's family moved to Rouen. There, Pascal started to work on a book, Essay on Conics, which was finished in 1640, in which the mystic hexagram was given central importance. The book contained several hundred propositions on conic section, bringing in the work of Apollonius and his successors. The book was remarkable not only because of his age of 16, but also because of the treatment and tangency, among other things. Blaise Pascal wrote a series of pseudonymous open letters from 1656 to 57 that ultimately came to be known as Les Provinciales. In 1657, Pascal has also begun to write notes that would be posthumously organized and published as Pensies.